Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to reset password. Let's begin. Resetting your password in Evernote is a simple process. Now, there are a couple of ways to do it. If you're using your mobile, it depends if you're using an iOS or an Android. In my case, I am using an Android. So from here, all I have to do is go to the upper left corner where you can see your profile icon. And from there, tap that and click the settings section. All right. What would happen is you would be forwarded to the very bottom where it says more settings. All right. So that's one way. I want you to click on it. At the very bottom, there is a section here that says reset. All right. All you have to do is click that small button. It would be forwarded here. And then you will be successfully logged out of your account. All right. Because you have used the reset button. Now, the second option is going to be go to the help section right here, submit a support request. Now, in this section, we need some intervention from the Evernote support staff if you wanted to reset your password and you're having problems and issues with it. All right, so here, click the login issues. It's very easy. All right. Account type is, it's up to you what you want to put in here. Is it going to be free or personal or professional? Now, you see this section right here. For example, yes. Requested the password reset. You see this option. I requested the password reset, but I'm not receiving any email. How did you log in? Obviously, that's going to be email. And put in the email that is associated with this account. For example, this reset password. All right. And of course, you can put in the description. Request reset password problem. And you can, of course, you can put in a specific file that you wanted if you want. Right here. Okay. And then click the submit button. What will happen is one of the customer support staff will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix your problem if you are having problems resetting your passwords. All right. And the last option is going to be go to the official Evernote website and log in using your account. So we need to use the web version. And then go to the account sign in here, click here, and you would be forwarded to the same page earlier. All right. And from here, all I have to do is type in your concern, right? Reset password. Similarly, it would give you a troubleshooting forward steps on how to fix your problem and click the submit. All right. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video.